excited to show you some of the renovations that have been taking place at our new building since the last time I took you on a tour. Hi everyone, this is Audrey from Benjamin Roberts, and I'm standing outside of our new building at 119 South Tree Drive in Lancaster, and I'm excited to show you some of the renovations that have been taking place at our new building since the last time I took you on a tour, before any renovations had happened. Our warehouse is up and running and operational here at the new site, which is exciting, and our staff offices and showroom renovations have begun. We're not quite finished yet, but I'm excited to show you some of the things that have already been done, and I also look forward to showing you the tour of our completed space once we're ready to move in the next few months. Thanks for coming along with us on this journey, and stay tuned for more updates. All right, so here is our updated tour of our new building. You can see we have some beautiful new flooring that's been put in place. Lots of walls have been taken down. We have been in the process of building a brand new double-sided fireplace, which will be a beautiful feature when it's completed. This area is going to include a small conference room, as well as our showroom space where we'll feature our furniture products and our architectural interiors products for the workplace. Guests can come and take a look at those. We'll also have some staff offices here. A really great coffee bar will be going in, and some other neat things will be featured in this space. You can see to the right there our beautiful doors. These used to be red. They are vintage Lancaster County doors that were located in our old building on Prince Street, and now they welcome people into our design library, which is this space here that is currently under construction. This area is where we will have some more staff office spaces, as well as an employee break area and kitchen. You can see some cool new flooring design is going down here right now, and this space is in progress as well. Here you can see our chair room area. We'll be lining up a lot of the task chairs and desk chairs and different kinds of seating we have here so our salespeople can show clients. This will be our large conference room when it's completed. And now we are in our warehouse area, which is already full of furniture and architectural interiors products, as well as all of our recycling materials that you see here, ready to be sent out. This is a nice, big, beautiful space that we're already getting great use out of. So we hope you will be able to come and visit it for yourself soon. In the meantime, stay tuned for more updates, and thanks for coming along.